Hey everyone, it's Farshad, your TikTok. If you just installed the Windows and don't know what programs you should install next, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you. In this video, I will show you the most important and useful programs you should install after Windows installation. No problem, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just this app are necessary. If you have these apps or this program in your Windows, so you are ready for daily usage and computer. So like the video and subscribe the channel to see these 10 apps or program that you must install in your computer. So let's dive in. So guys, the first step after installing your Windows, you have to install driver. So what's driver? Driver is an program or collection of program that helps you to communicate the software or operation system with your hardware of computer. It makes or it works very perfectly. It helps you to work very faster and very good. So the first app you have to install is driver. So the second app is to install is office package, because every student need to install package. Why? Because if you're a student, you need to write a project, you need to write a book, you need to present your presentation in PowerPoint or using Excel in your office, in your shop, and everywhere. You need to install office package, completely install it, and it will help you to your daily usage. So the third app is some communication apps that you have to use them for a better communication. For example, Telegram, WhatsApp, Emo, Messenger. These are all the communication. These are all the communication softwares that you can use them to communicate with others. So after this, let's come to some reader program. For example, PDF reader or Chem Explorer for video or WinRAR for your apps that you need to open it. And the first one is about editor. What is editor? Editor is some programs that edit your image, edit your text, edit your whatever you want. It's very good. Example is Office Package and Photoshop, Premiere, and every other apps that you can edit your video, your photo on there. They are very necessary, especially for a student. Why? Because a student needs to edit their photo, edit their, for example, books, edit their article, and whatever they need to edit them. Okay. And the fifth one is some apps that you use them to communicate with the network or communicate with internet. So what are they? The number one is Google Chrome or Firefox, and now they are to help you find very special sites and find a very good articles. That is ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT, I need this site. It will immediately find you the best search for you. For example, if I type here, hey ChatGPT, I need one app to learn Java. So the first and best site that are on internet that ChatGPT will bring for me, it's link. So you have to install Google Chrome and ChatGPT, because these two are very important for a student, especially in this century, because we can't live without ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help us very, very goodly. For example, it will make our works easy. These apps are very basic. For example, if you're an advanced student, if you're a student in computer science, so you need to install NetBeans for working Java, and you have to install Python for Python, and you have to install, for example, uh, install VS Code for every language that you are learning. VS Code is a very wide software that you can install every language, every computer language in it, and use it and learn it day by day. So, guys, these were some basic programs that you need to install after Windows installation. So if you don't know how to install OBS Studio, I have already made a video about it. You can Um, you can see here, or I'll share the link with you in the description. And if you don't know how to install a Windows, so I've also made a video how to install Ubuntu and any other apps that you wanna install. I have made a video, so you have just to use the link in the description, or just go to the playlist and see all the apps that you wanna install in your computer. So until next video, see you soon, guys.